Welcome to Golden Days MK. This video itself we discuss about option trading. Okay. Previously we discussed about future trading. That the same way option also we can buy in a lot basis. Lot basis means 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lot. So here you just remember depending about the company, the lot size will be differ. Depending on the company means that trading how much of the amount it is trading. That means 100 rupees or 50 rupees or in the 200 or 2000. So depending about the market price, the particular company, depending about the market price, the lot size will be differ. So some of the company in a 100 shares one lot, some of the company 125, some of the company 500. So depending upon that it will be differ. Once you are trading, that time you can able to understand, you can able to identify. Some of the company the price becoming very less now, less than 50 rupees. So that kind of the shares we can buy a lot. One lot means that it will become around 4,000 shares one lot. So here the thing is why we need to buy in a lot basis. Lot basis means that the company they give in exposure. Company they give exposure means that normally if you want one lot in a 50 share, suppose the 50 shares if you want to buy in a delivery, you need to pay in a around 2 lakhs. Means in a future trading if you have only 50,000 you can buy. So that is the difference. The same shares if you buy in a delivery basis, you need to pay around 2 lakhs rupees. So 2 lakh worth of the share if you buy in a future, if you have 50,000 then you can buy. So they give margin, and otherwise you can say in one more way they give in exposure. That's why the traders they buy the shares in a lot basis. So to compare that in a delivery, to compare the intraday, future also more risk, at the same time more profit. If you are trading in a future you can able to get a more profit, at the same time risk also more. That is why. And one more trading in option trading. Option trading also it is there in a more risk, at the same time more profit. Who they may trade in option? Most probably who they may trade in option, who they have more experience in market. Who they have in a more experience, for them they may trade in option trading. Option trading, how it will be work? Option trading like a insurance. Okay. So once you buy, afterwards you can sell. So once you buy means that how it will be work. Previously I said first here the option trading lot basis, 1 lot or 2 lot, 3 lot, how many number of lot you want you can buy. Okay. In example with the Nifty I am saying Nifty today in a 10,000 range. Nifty today 10,000 range. You are thinking Nifty will be goes up. Okay. This time what you can do, Nifty call option you can buy. Or if you are thinking Nifty it will be goes up, this time what you can do, you can buy Nifty call option. This is like a betting. Otherwise you can take this is like a insurance. So whatever the way you want, that way you just take. So you are thinking Nifty it will be goes up. This time what you are doing, you are buying in a call option. So call option means you are thinking the market will be goes up, that kind of way. So if you buy in a call option, if the market will be goes up, you get a profit. Okay. Suppose if you are thinking the market will be come down. If you are thinking the market will be come down, if you think the market will be come down, that time what you need to do, you need to buy a put option. So put option also like a betting. You are thinking market will be come down. Okay. If you think market will be goes up, you need to buy call option. If you think market will be come down, that time you need to buy in a put option you need to buy. So call option how it will be work. So now Nifty in a 10,000 range. Now you are buying Nifty in a 10,000 call option or 10,100 call options. So 10,000 call option or 10,100 call option means your expectation is above 10,000 range. So there is name. Now you bought in a 10,100 call option. So in market if it will goes up, maybe in a 50 points up, 100 point up, your call option the price will be rise up. So you can able to get a profit. Suppose if you are buying, you are thinking that market will come down, and now the range in a 10,000 range, you are thinking it will become below the 10,000 range. Now what are you doing? You are buying in a 10,000 put option you are buying. So whatever the price you are buying. So now you are buying the price mean 100 means you are buying price now 100. Now market 100 point down means most probably the price becoming the now whatever the share you bought, Nifty 10,000 put option you bought now. Now if you are looking the price becoming a 200. Okay, 10,000 range Nifty put option you bought at the rate of 100 you bought. Market how many point down? 100 point down. Now if you are looking the price almost nearby 200 or more than 200. So now what is the profit? Your profit in the you bought in 100 rupees range na, so 1 lot 50 shares, so 100 into 50. So around 1 lot you spend 5,000 rupees we spend. Now you sold at the rate of 200. So 200 into 50 means it will become under in 10,000 rupees. So you bought at the rate of 5,000 and now once you sold you get the money 10,000 rupees. So almost your money get double. So when our money it will be get double as a short period of the time in option only. Okay, so in a cash delivery and intraday and future and option, so delivery risk is very less. Okay, and intraday little bit risk and little bit profit. Future more risk more profit, and here in option trading it is there in a more profit at the same time more risk, where it is there in highest risk in option trading itself. Previously I said so you are expecting the market will be goes up in a 10,000 range. Now market you are buying in a 10,100 call option you are buying, so you are thinking is the market will be goes up above 10,100 range. What happening, unfortunately the market become in a flat momentum or market in a negative. So 1 or 2 days or in a 10 days if you are waiting, the price it will be come down. So depending upon the market moment, depending upon that in a daily the price it will be changing, every second the price it will be changing. And here what happens, sometimes if you are lucky in a last day the expiry date the expiry date time the price become in a very less the option trading. So beginning if you are looking today the contract it will be open, so like a future option also in a monthly contract. So this month contract if you buy the option price become in there in a more, at the same time the same contract same position in Nifty if you are looking in a month end the price become in there in a very less price. So here the major difference is then previously if you buy in a month beginning your contract in a you have in a more time, that's why the price become in a more. The same contract at the same time there in a month end the price become in a very less, because the reason the lifetime become in a very less, that's why the price become in a very less. So most of the traders they may buy in a huge number of the lot in a last the expiry time that time they may buy. Suppose if they have in a luck, so for example if they are investing in a 10,000 means the same time same day we can convert 10,000 into 1 lakh we can convert, so we can get a more profit. And at the same time suppose that market it is not reaching your target, at the same time your position end of the day it will become as a zero. So in a future trading loss and profit they may calculate in every day, and how much of the amount it is there in our apart from the loss, how much of the amount bending, the bending amount they may credit in your demat account itself. But option trading how it will be work, end of the day if you are looking for example in the 10,100 call option you bought, the market end of the day position become in the 10,000 range or 9,000 range or below the 10,100 range, then on the option how much of the rupees you bought, maybe 100 or 200 or 50 rupees, what price you bought, that is to be doesn't matter. End of the day the contract become in a zero, because your expectation is 10,100 but market position become in below 10,100, that's why the end of the day the contract become in a zero. So there is a risk, the money it will become sometime it will become as a like a zero, and sometimes the profit will become as a huge profit. Who they may invest in future trading and option trading, normally who they know more about market, for them they trade in future, and who they are in the well known about the market, for them they trade in option. Most probably the traders, what is mean by traders, they are in a continuously they may watch market and continuously they may watch news, and they have in a market updation. So for who they well know about the market, for them we are seeing as a traders. Most probably the traders daily they may trade, okay, daily they may trade, and one more thing they may invest more amount, so there is a difference. So most probably the traders where they may trade in a option itself they may trade. And one more thing, that option any others they may buy, yes they may buy. Who they may buy, that in the biggest industries also they may buy option trading. For example, you are an investor, you invested some amount, for example 10 lakhs you invested, you bought in a few lot, in future you bought some one company. Okay, some one company means, in example I am saying that in a State Bank or in a HDFC Bank, any one of the bank shares or one of the industry shares you bought in a few lots you bought. Okay, now you are thinking, you bought a share, so that means you are thinking that market will be goes up. Unfortunately market will be come down, or you are thinking suppose the market it will be come down, that time what to do? So this case what we can do, we can buy the few lot of the particular company put option. In an example I am saying I bought in a few lot in future, okay, in a Nifty I am saying with the example in a Nifty. So Nifty I bought in a 10 lot Nifty I bought in a what is the range, in a 10,000 range I bought. Remember that in a 10,000 range Nifty in a 10 lot I bought. So here what happened, I am thinking market will be goes up, market if it is going up then I get a profit. At the same time I have a fear, suppose the market will be come down, then what we do? So market if it will come down, then means we need to face in a huge loss now. Sometime within a 2 days the money will be get zero. So I need to save my money. So what I am doing, the Nifty put option I am buying. So Nifty put option means now 10,000 range na. So I am thinking that in a 9,500 range or 9,900, most probably 9,900 put option 5 lot I am buying. Okay, so 5 lot, how many lots you want you can buy, but at the same time with the example I am saying that in a 5 lot I am buying. So once I bought in a 5 lot, after that what happen, suppose market will be goes up, then I can able to get a profit from the future. So future I have in a 10 lot, market if it is going up, future it will give a profit. At the same time market suppose it is get negative, so negative time what happen, so market will be coming down, that time that option price na, you have a Nifty 900 put option you have. So now suppose the market will be coming down as a negative, that time where you can able to get a profit from the put option, you can able to get a profit. You have in a 9,900 put option, so that's a market how much of the point it will be come down, depending upon that the option price will be rise up. So market if it is positive, then you can able to get a profit from the future. Market suppose it is get negative, you can get the profit from the put option. So this is the way. So most probably the traders they may buy some lot in the future and some lot they may buy in option against. So in the future they are long means option short, that means in a put option they may buy. Suppose they have in a some of the lot in a short position, in a short means what they may do in an option trading, they may buy some call option, the same script, not in a different script, same script most probably they may buy. In otherwise what we can do, sometimes in a future you have in you bought some script means in a put option you can able to buy from the Nifty also you can buy. So different way you can able to trade. So you just continuously watch this channel. So here in the market itself what I learned, so in my experience I am going to share. Most probably hope this news it will be helpful for you. Continuously watch this channel, and if you have any question related to the market, just write your question in comment box itself. In upcoming videos I will try to give answer to you. Thank you.